Tea Time with
Hey sis,
Cabadama,
I just seen this video. You gotta watch it with me.
a Triple Plat Record Studios Industries production.
Oh, Record Studios Industries. Damn, brother.
Producing great productions with great proficiency prowess, pride, preparedness, pretense, premonition, and presents properly with points and power.
Well, all right. So I thought I'd go ahead and
Goddamn,
let you know
it's the same shit that this brother did
that,
last time, and every time this brother drops a video, he does the same stupid shit.
myself another cup of tea. It's a green tea. Yeah. This is a tasty thing here. This is really tasty tea. I'm trying to tell you. You you can't have this tea. This is mine. It's not yours. It's not yours. You're not allowed to have this tea. I tell you what you can do is you can brew your own. Now, it's not going to be as good as mine. Because you don't know how to brew tea. Not like me anyway, but you can try. You just can't have this one. This one's mine.
Tea Time 2. The refill.
I happen to be third floor captain in this here building. All right.
Alright, now I'm gonna be honest with you. Knowing how most people are, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get on here and just do a little sequel about, you know, His Royal Majesty's cup of tea, which is mine and not yours. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's tea time, but it's also tea's time. So yeah, no, you're this cup of tea. Now this is a green tea. Okay, this is an energizing tea. All right, it's not just hydrating. It's energizing tea. It has anti-carcinogenic properties. It also has antioxidants. All right. So this is not just good, it's good for you. All right. You're not allowed to have any, but yes, this is good for you. Well, for me. But do some. What you gonna do? Hey, what you gonna do? You gonna beat me up and take my tea? You gonna beat me up and take my tea? Do some.